Welcome to this video. Today we'll be talking about what print functions are in Python programming language. To explain print function, just take print function as something that can display an output on the screen for us. When we talk about function, I'm going to make understand this a little bit more. But think of print function as a function in Python programming language that displays an output for us. So how do you write print function in Python? It's just simple print. You open and close going to put inside here. Inside we are going to put any data type of our choice. This print function can deliberately handle it. Let's say I want to print out name. Let's say I want to print out Peter, for example. When I run this, as you can see, I got Peter out displayed for me. Let me print a number. Let's say I print 56. You can see I got 56 out for me. Let me do some mathematical operation for example. Let's say 5 times 6. Can see I got 30. Let's say let me do another one. Let's say none. So none. You can see I was able to print out any data type of my choice. Just think of print function in Python programming language as something that can display an output for you. As of now, it's not going to be. You're not going to. As of now, you're not going to find it of much use when you can deliberately type something here. Why is the essence of getting it on the screen? Yeah, but let's want to do something like know about print functions and what print functions are, how they work. The basic thing to know is just print function just display something on the screen on our screen for us, like we have seen. Now we're going to make use of this print function a lot when we continue on this Python programming series. So as of now, there's nothing really fancy to talk much about it. It's just that it displays something on the screen. That's just basically what print function does. I can also help for debugging purposes. When we want to debug our script, we can make use of print functions too, and to know what is actually happening on our script and how our script is being rendered. So all these things, as we go, we're going to make use of print function. In most cases, a must you must be using your script. It's not that it's a must. It's still that most times it's always on every script that any Python programming script that I see. I'm going to see a print function to show somebody what your script is doing and how they do and the result they want. You can also see that print function also display our expected result or non-expected result too. So that's just basically what print function does in Python programming. So I think this will be for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, because you like and share with your friends who might find this video helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.